Okay. I had a dream last night. Actually, this morning. After 6 o'clock, I went outside to smoke a cigarette. And when I did, I was out there a total of 2 minutes. And I started sweating. I got really hot. My teeth started chattering. And my body temperature rose a good 20 degrees. And I started to feel sick. Now, I had to put my cigarette out. And there was no sun. But all the way down from my head to my fingertips got numb and hot. I go back in. I go back to sleep. Now in my dream, I was shown 4 individuals. One was older, about 70-something years old, probably going on 80. There was another man that was probably in his 50s, 60s maybe. Another individual that was younger, probably in his 30s, 40s. Okay. There was a neighborhood surrounding this business. The business was a big building, a large aluminum, kind of like a barn. The schematics of the 2 neighborhoods were very close, but the trees and the houses were close together. The other one, they were more spread out. It was like a ranch type. There was a horse in my dream. Now, where it gets interesting is the one man was having feuds, fights with the other 3. So much that the 2 were in the business. The younger man was inside the home. So the business and the home were on the same property. There's a lot of shouting. I see the horse run out of the stall and run around the property really, really fast. The 2 men that were in the shop, it looked like a shop. The one man that was feuding with these other 3 gets in a truck, a big truck that looked like it had a crane on it, hanging from the top. He gets in the vehicle, and you hear the younger man that was inside the home. He hears a loud crash. He runs outside with a shotgun because he already knew, he heard the arguing, he heard the fighting. He runs outside with his shotgun because that truck, the person that was in the truck, that got in the truck with the crane, runs over and slams into a bunch of equipment. It was like machines. There was a bunch of machinery. Kind of like Jack's building over there. Anyway, the guy in the truck, after he slams into all this machinery, he backs the truck up, and the two older gentlemen, the 70-year-old and the slightly younger one, the guy in the truck backs up. They run over there to see what he had run into. The guy in the truck hits the two men, runs them down, runs them completely over. There's blood everywhere. So much blood. There was so much blood. And then you see the horse like running for its life. And then I woke up. So I go outside, trying to process all of this. I go outside to smoke a cigarette again. And where I'm at in the parking lot, as I'm watching James Pullen's video on the illegal business and the 3 people that are actually the 4 people that they're looking for in Florida, the 3 women. I go outside. There's a red Honda with a Florida tag. A maroon, darkish maroonish Honda 4-door SUV. It's a rental car. And I know it's a rental car because on the window it said roadside assistance sticker and another sticker that said $450 that they would have to pay if they smoked in the vehicle. It was a black woman. And as I'm talking to a friend outside, this woman gets in this vehicle and she leaves. In a hurry, quickly. She just came last night. Out of nowhere. Showed up. And as I'm outside talking to my friend, I saw and I heard a crow standing on the electrical wires right above me and kept flying over and landing through the trees, going through the trees from the electrical wire over me. in that video of James's, title starts with illegal business. He said there was 3 women on the run. One was from Florida. One was in Florida, excuse me. And one was in Arizona. And he didn't mention the third state because I don't think he remembers or knows. But now, mind you, I've only started remembering my dreams the last couple of days because my dreams have been blocked. So I don't know if this resonates with anyone. My thought is that it matches his video where it was an illegal business. And the person they were trying to set up found out about it. That's all I know. And then I woke up. So somebody let me know if this resonates with someone. Love and light.